don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. What's up, friends? It's still I'm a Fans Way to TV, and I'm still your man, Kamza the Sport. Well, in this platform, or rather on this platform, you're used to just myself and the coach having studio discussions. But today, you know, it's a three-way conversation because Rako Zura Nakudzimuhuru Bomodau here on the near post, the far post, this Penom, I do have Coach KP. Bomozao.
Nah.
Nah, hey, Coach. He wants to understand. I mean, as per the discussion that you and I had, Mawania Absela Muadu, sharing your sentiments with regards to him. He wants to understand why, you know, you were sharing those views, because he feels otherwise into saying you need to support the coach. So just share your thoughts with him.
Bumudau must start. Let's hear what's happening. What's up?
Yesterday I listened to the coach interviews. Yes. Yeah, and then he said this coach is not a championship coach. Yeah, he doesn't see him winning the championship. So I said no, I disagree with him. So let's give the coach a chance. Because check the coach, what he did to Maruma Gallants. When Maruma Gallants hired the coach, the mandate was to save the team from relegation, which he did 100%. And he was unlucky not to even go to the top 8, because he just missed by 2 points to go to the top 8. He found the team down, bottom of the league. But the mandate was, please save this team to stay at the better way. So which he did. And the coach, if you see the coach there, this coach, when he came to Maruma Gallants would beat them 8-1 at Orlando Stadium. When you go to Bloemfontein, that time Paris were on toe-to-toe with Sundown, to chase Sundown, to catch them with the points. And he surprised us. He beat us 2-0. 2-1. So 2-1 at Bloemfontein. He came to Orlando, and he took Maruma Gallants to the semi-final of the Nedbank. He came to Orlando. We beat him 1-0, and it was tough. The football that team is Maruma Gallants was playing. Maruma Gallants, we know in terms of the resources, they can't match Orlando Pirates. They can't match Chiefs or Sundown. But this coach, Absalom, he managed to work with the people that he have. And he shows, because at the Orlando Stadium, if let's say you are lucky, it's 2-0 or 3-0. But him, we beat him 1-0 and then Nedbank come. And also, he came to FNB. No one expected him to go away with a win at FNB. He beat Chiefs 2-1 or 1-2-1 from behind, and he came from behind. So Chiefs said 1-1 or 2-1. So, and when I see this coach, I compare it to our coach, the former coach Joss, because when he came here, no one know him, but the style of play. So it's similar. The one the Absalom he playing at Maruma Gallants is similar to Perez. So for me, coach, I hope let's support our coach. Let's give him the credit, because the management
trusted him,
and they get a lot of CV. But let's also support the decision of the management. And as a fans, as a fans, let's support the decision that the management take. Then we'll see.
Coach,
no, he's right. He's right in the sense of as Orlando Pirates fans, you need to support what the manager say. But that doesn't mean you need to agree. You see, it doesn't mean you need to say, no, I agree with it. No, you support, because even if you don't support, it won't change at the end of the day, you see. And like I told you yesterday, what I appreciate or what I respect about Iron Duke, Udrubulla the journalist cafe. He always has element of surprise in him, you see. And remember what I told you yesterday about the coach. What the one thing that he has similarity to Jose is the youth in him. So meaning he's going to continue with that. You see, I think maybe some things, it's, I don't know, maybe it's how you explain them. But for me, yes, he is, like I said yesterday, he's not going to win the league. When I'm saying he's not going to win the league, I'm not saying we're not going to support him. You see, I was speaking to one of the fans yesterday. I'm like, this year I'm buying that card. What do you buy? Those cards, the seasonal tickets.
Season tickets,
I'm buying two because I always go with someone. You see, I'm gonna buy two. You see, just because I don't agree with the decision of the coach, it doesn't mean I'm not going to support him. No, I am going to support the team. At the end of the day, it's Orlando Pirates. But like I said, it doesn't mean we need to agree with them. Yes, style of play at Marumo, for me, I'm still yet to be convinced with. You are coming at Escotini. You are coming to a place where results are expected.
Yeah.
We don't want you to save us from relegation. We don't want you to put us in top 8. We don't want you to put us in top 4. We've been number 2 for the last 3 years. Now we want you to elevate us. So is this guy taking us to number 1? That's why I'm saying no. He can't take us to number 1. You see, yes, maybe like Brother Mdau said, maybe he can chase a MTN 8. Maybe he can get Black Label. We've never won that. Maybe he can get the Nedbank. But for me, he is not giving us the glory days for the Premiership, the bad way. You see, hence why for me, I even said when Rivero left, and it's still a question, is he better than the one coach who won the treble with the league? Because he won 5 trophies. We don't know. But like I said, Pirates says they've got rumor says Pirates has a 5-year plan. That 5-year plan, maybe they want to win the league on the 4th. But I still stick to what I said. I don't think the coach is winning us the league anytime soon. Support, yes, definitely. You need to rally behind the team. Because remember, at the end of the day, it's not about who's sitting at the bench. It's about this bench.
Yeah.
So even if tomorrow they take Sweet, and I say, Sweet is representing the bench. Yeah. So for me, my brother, I don't think this guy is still going to win us the league. I don't think so.
Mudau, I'll come to you, back to you one more time as we wrap up the coach's discussion. What are your expectations from the coach? What are you looking forward to in terms of what the coach brings? Absela Mwadu.
Okay. For me, my expectation is it's been long for Pirates not lifting the championship, and that is the only cup that is missing at the moment at our office.
No, sorry.
The black label. Yeah. So, but the big one, I need the big fish.
Big fish now. You want to catch the big one?
I need the big fish.
Yeah.
And when I see also our signings, our management doing the signings.
Yeah.
So it shows that they need the big fish.
Yeah.
So we can't beat around the bushes.
Yeah.
So we need the league.
Yeah.
And this coach and also the players that are signing and the players that we have currently, they are ready to lift the Betway Premiership.
Yeah.
That's my expectation.
Now, gentlemen, on a lighter note, Mudau, I can see you wearing your jersey right there. And we saw the new jersey has been unveiled. So I'm guessing that when the day comes for it to be launched, you're teaching this one and you're coming for the new one. I mean, I don't know. I just want to hear your sentiments, gentlemen. The black, I can say white is wrong because because blue, but it's not blue turquoise. So that's why I'm saying but let's just put it simple. Home or they are wicked.
So for me, let me come on the jerseys because I saw them today when the team announced coach.
Yeah.
For me, all Adidas never get wrong. So it's top of the class, top of the range. So for me, if let's say because today they show us the kit. I wish tomorrow, because tomorrow is 25, we are getting paid. I wish to go to Orlando just to leave my 3,000.
Yeah.
Because definitely I'm going to get home and away.
Yeah.
So and the white one is the new beginning. So new beginnings, you know everything. It's a new beginning of the coach, new beginning of Sipombole. Also, let me welcome Sipombole to the team.
Yeah.
It's a total new beginning.
Yeah.
So next season, support us. Please, let's go and buy these new jerseys.
Yeah.
Let's live to wear the four Kongs. So top of the range kit.
Yeah.
So I like the kit.
And Coach you're waiting for the trip. As much as we've seen the
we're
not the trip.
Now, I'm looking for those the drip ones, those coach draws. But in all essence, man, the white one looks beautiful. But what I've seen when Sweet is, I remember when we released the orange one, I didn't like it on the picture until you meet somebody wearing it, and then you realize, oh, this kit is beautiful. But for me, I always, black is beautiful. Black is bold.
Color ya manyora.
You never go wrong with black. So as much as the design, the white one looks more better than the black one, but should it come out tomorrow, and I can't leave 3,000. No. I love football. I love football. Before I love Pirates, I can't leave 3. I'll rather leave 1.5 for the black one. The white one will get it, 1. So let's put this on camera. If the coach wins MTN 8, I'll get 2 white ones.
Okay.
1 for me, 1 for you.
So which means I'm going to have 2 whites. 2 whites.
Yeah.
And 1 black. Because for us, because we go away, home and away.
Yes.
So if let's say I'm going away, I have to wear the team colors. And also the white one, if let's say coach, you check the white ones. When we play with the white, if you check the previous seasons,
we always did well.
We always did well and we win something. So that's why I said this is a new beginning. So thank you, management, for giving us white. Because last week we were talking about what here, outside here. So which parents this season give us white. And also they did that. So thank you, management, for giving us white. This is a new beginning. More still to come.
Well, that's how we wrap it up. You have heard it from Bomodao Kudzimuholo, as well as Coach KB, with regards to the support that needs to be rallied behind the coach, as well as the beautiful kits that the team has released, the home and away. Which one do you love? Share your thoughts with us, the home or the away, or as the gentleman says, it's mandatory that as a supporter you have both the home and the away kit. But for myself, Coach, as well as Kudzimuholo Bomodao, we are signing out.